So this question asks us to, I guess, simplify this radical to its most simplest terms. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to FOIL these two together, I guess, foiling. So I'm going to FOIL out 1 minus root 3, and then also 2 plus root 6. We'll worry about this one after, but let's just do this. Okay, so firstly we have 1 times 2, so that's 1 times 2 plus 1 times root 6, right? It's going to happen. And then we're going to have negative root 3 times 2 subtract negative root 3 times root 6. Okay, so it's going to be equal to, if you just simplify this expression, we get 2 plus root 6 minus 2 root 3 minus root 18. Okay, that's our simplification over here. Now, to simplify this even further, right, we can write root 18 as 3 root 2. So, right here, so it's going to become 2 plus root 6 minus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Okay? Alright, so now we've simplified it this far. Now we just need to multiply this with 5 plus root 2. So, I'm going to put that in a different color. Let's use like purple, and we're going to do multiply this by this 5 plus root 2. So it's going to be 2 plus root 6 minus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, all in brackets, multiplied by 5 plus root 2. So it's going to be another time we're going to use foiling again. So it's going to be a little bit more complicated than before, but I'm just going to go through it very quickly. It's going to be 2 times 5, correct? 2 times 5 plus 2 times root 2, okay, plus root 6 times 5 plus root 6 times root 2 minus 2 root 3 times 5 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 times 5. Sorry, just minus 2 root 3. What am I saying? Minus 2 root 3 times root 2 this time, actually. And then we're going to have minus 3 root 2. And then multiply that by 5, minus 3 root 2 times root 2. Okay, so we've written out everything. Now, once we compute everything, we're going to get 10 plus 2 root 2. We're going to keep that as is. And then we're going to multiply these together with 5 root 6 plus root 12, right? These two together, with radicals here. And then subtract 10 root 3 minus 2 root 6 minus 15 root 2 minus 3 times 2. Now, if we have root 12, right, we can write that as 2 root 3, right? And we can also simplify that as well. So we'll just punch out our final answer in one thing. We just simplify everything together. So if I have root 2 terms, like 2 root 2, like you can see there, have 2 root 2 and minus 15 root 2, it'll be like negative 13 root 2. And if I have 2 root 3, where's 2 root 3? I will have a 2 root 3, right? Because I have root 12, it's going to be 2 root 3. So, I mean, I can rewrite this again, which is basically our final answer should be, after you put everything together, like terms, our final answer should be equal to 4 minus 13 root 2 minus 8 root 3 plus 3 root 6. Okay. This should be our final answer.